Western Bahr el Ghazal Community Police are considering carrying out anti-suicide campaigns after a trader and a student took their own lives under different circumstance in Wau town. The acting Wau Police Commissioner, Major General James Simon Yasser, said the first suicide incident on Saturday was of 14-year Alhaj Saeed, a student at the Bright Future Primary School in Wau town. Neither the reason for ending his life nor the way he died is known. Meanwhile, on Sunday, a 30-year-old businessman identified as Abraham Taban took his own life at Kresh residential area. Taban, married to 2 wives, killed himself shortly after spending 3 days in jail for allegedly impregnating another girl. Police Commissioner Yasser said the disturbing incidents have compelled the police to conduct campaigns in all neighborhoods on the matter. I, as the director of police in the state, will carry out an awareness-raising role in the region through the sheiks and the community police, he told iRadio on Thursday. The awareness campaign will include all neighborhoods not making an individual decision to self-harm or other as this practice is prohibited by law. Experts have said suicide is the second leading cause of death for people between the age of 15 and 29 years globally. According to WHO data, as of 2019, South Sudan has one of the highest suicide rates in the world, occupying 13th position out of 172 countries surveyed globally and 4th in Africa.